I took my troubles down to Madame Rue. You know that gypsy with the gold cap tooth. She's got a flat down at 34th and Vine, selling little bottles of love potion every night. I told her that I was a flop with chicks. I've been this way since 1956. She looked at my palm and she made a magic sign. She said, oh, I can need is love potion every night. She bent down and turned around and gave me a wink. She said, I'm gonna make it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine and looked like itty ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I kissed the clouds, I let it fucking ride. Broke my little bottle of love potion every night. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything